and we're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Vincent.
Who'd have known how delicious roasted golden beets are?
I love them, so this is for me.
You gotta boil them first.
Oh,
So this is a boiled beet, a yellow beet, a golden beet.
golden.
You just kind of rub them, and the skin comes right off. We need to cut them bigger. Look at that, that's beautiful.
Yep.
Can you hit me with some olive oil, please?
I'd be honored. Wow.
All right, like that. And we're gonna go on. And I said it before, and I'll say it again. You need to spread it out. Gonna burn them.
Do it.
I'm not gonna be apologetic about
Don't.
it. I'm gonna burn the beets.
Burn them.
Okay.
Burn your beets.
500-degree oven. What?
Wow.
For 25 minutes.
Wow, these are getting burned.
Until they're done. Look at these.
Wow.
That's a roasted beet. We're gonna just take some nice honey, drizzle over the top. Stracciatella.
Oh, yeah.
It is burrata filling. We're gonna go right here. And we are gonna take them. And we're gonna just place them right here in the middle. Now we're gonna take a little more of our honey. I'm gonna give it a little, just a little touch there. Some toasted pine nuts and some finely minced chives.
I love it.
Go ahead.
I love it. So head to our website, use12.com. You'll find the recipe there. You should try this. It looks amazing.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Thanks, Vin.
My pleasure as always.